Kase hits. Michael Ola, NMC Yaa Yeboah abe clash with Bimbo Ademoye, Nigerian actress or say movie producer. Ebusia, also dan say what in say tuja wo chire mu say Ghana's Ghana TV stations, mu yi ni movie dodo without the consent. Mu yi ni movie for free. It is copyright infringement. Mu yi ni movie dodo. And because of that, obviously, warning to Ghanaians. Let's say was Remada. TV stations now mo taking fun of showing her movie without the consent no or chiwa or the family na kwan so sans mo kai no MC Yaa Yeboah any Michael Ola abe clash with her no mu kire as mo no it make sense nyansa kete crazy omo na jani no ebi nim aha Penyah block media mesra say any dey mo obe like video ra mo subscribe button and be click the notification and connect latest update na ba kire wa adwen dey ama me e wo comment section mesra so ba so a na share video mo na unya so enya bi ahwe. Etianke bi shame about a week ago. You heard who said Bimbo Ademoye, Nigerian actress. Oba media na so na say wa twe camera sinanim. Na obronsem ansem no nesma okanyina ne say. What nani to for mo a Ghana TV stations mi ho no mo a. Just say ni movie die o mu yi ani so mu yi back to back. Bimbo Ademoye Productions. We see ya no okofa ni movie foforo network so. TV station me sure say. Ontimi ni Unity TV e free mo. Pensam TV ontimi ni free mo. Daily TV movement these particular TV stations here are back to back. Make right now I thought say they are not even Ghanaian channels. For sure now I thought even Pensam TV now I thought Pensam TV is never a Ghanaian based TV station because na Nigerian. If they are not doing any program, so movie a Nigerian movie no movie. It's because of that crown. My Bimbo Ademoye ebifuye. Emo be fire obo ka chiro mo say, whether you are promoting my movies or not, me na mabo ka twa movie. Me mpese mo be yibiem.
Hi guys, Bimbo Ademoye here. First of all, I'd like to say a very big thank you for all the love and support that you have shown me in respect of the PR for Broken Hallelujah. But I wanted to let something known. It's been eating me. It's been eating deep inside of me. And I just wanted to let you know. Broken Hallelujah is coming, right? But I thought we were past the days of piracy. And this video is actually to send a sound warning. It's not a threat, but at the same time, it's a very sound warning. And I'm going to do a breakdown for you guys. This video might be long, but please listen. You know those people that take your thumbnail and your title and pretend like it's the same film for clickbait? Please, I'm begging you now. Let's all remember that we used an email address to open a YouTube channel. You can be traced, you can be tracked, you can be found. You guys, I don't have a problem. See, it's already bad enough that they're using my face for films that I'm not in. No problem. But when I call a photographer, they take pictures of me. I pay them. They send me back the pictures. I pay somebody to do a poster. They send it back to me. I go through all that process. That picture, that poster is my intellectual property. It belongs to me. I didn't give you permission to use it. My title has been copyrighted. I didn't give you permission to use it. It's a different thing if, okay, like a movie Homecoming and then The Homecoming. That one is fine. But when you use my actual title and my thumbnail, then we have a problem. Then you now proceed to be evil and upload my film on your channel without my consent. I spent millions of naira making this movie. You know what it means to cast top actors? They charge me and I gladly pay because they bring their A game. Then I'll now do all of that day and night. Sometimes you don't sleep. Crew members will suffer. They won't go home. We just walk round the clock. Then you will now sit down at the comfort of your home and lift my film and put on your channel. That TV station in Ghana, I'm talking to you. Don't put my movie up. I didn't give you permission to. I don't even want, before I was even like, well, at least talk to me. Let's discuss on how we can both share. I don't want your money. Don't put my movie up. All the TV stations in Ghana that put my movie, I didn't give you permission to don't put my movie up. Ayodeji Films. You don't put my movie up, but you put my thumbnail and my title, and then you pretend like it's a part 2. I'm warning you. Actually, you're the one I'm looking for because I want to use you as an example. Ayodeji Films. I'm calling you out. And the crazy thing is, you don't even do a review. I know people that do reviews of my movie. I see them. I love them. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. But Ayodeji, you post and you talk a lot of trash. Let me give you an example of what you do. So guys, have you seen this beautiful movie? It's a lovely movie. It's a nice movie. So the movie is nice. Tell us what you think about the movie. That's not a review. You're talking bullshit. And using our thumbnail for clickbait. Ayodeji Films, don't review my movie. Don't talk about my film. Because when I take your channel down or I have you picked up and arrested, nobody should come and cry wolf and say Bimbo is actually using power to intimidate anybody. Because I'm warning you now. The TV station in Ghana, you're not untouchable. You're not unreachable. Stop uploading my movies on your channel. Those of you that use my thumbnail and my title and you use another film, I don't care if I'm in the film. Don't use my thumbnail. It's my intellectual property. It's mine. And I'm not giving you permission to use it. Please. I've had sleepless nights. My eyes are red. I haven't slept. I've been working on PR. I've been spending money. My family, my father, my nephew, my sister. Nobody has slept because we're all working to make sure that this PR is like huge. Then one evil person will now wake up and decide to use my property, my intellectual property, because you want to feed. And you think that food will digest? Please, I'm warning you now. I mind my business. When I do my crazy, I make you guys laugh, I go back into my shell. Do not see a side of me that you will not like. I'm warning you now. Don't play with me. Thank you.
Oh, kakwa towers you know chill class we use in the picture crack and the picture, even the picture. Fly na waboka ya kwa no chill so fly na. Was be she on twema. E ma de be ba ya ne se man for twe ho da wore. Na we Ghana fo ni be almost support Bimbo Ademoye. Ana ebi so mo fire na ga se masa twe ho ko tena say go and sit somewhere. Movie be na ya no ho ma wo mo nya so di dwa asum. What I say? E me bi crack as oh, at least that almost say we say e o mo crack na ma yehu for sure me myself. A true Pensam TV, and I'm who Bimbo Ademoye. The movie no movie. And was okay, I'm going to call me Dianigu, a movie. So I say, because actually, that's okay. She's a movie producer as well. And I'm got 89 in other words, exactly say they are giving them free promotion, but Bimbo, you say whether free promotion or not. Think 20 times a new movie, simple as state here, a new movie. That's when I'm saying I was Bimbo, as my Canada, it is unnecessary.
Here, for me, you know, I think this is not the time we need to do educations because and the reason why people are attacking people like Kafu and Honorable Sam George and say this piracy thing, you know, of course we will come and you know, and saying Nigeria and we better social media and said all these things without even giving proof or evidence to whatever she's saying, and then we have a minister running to acknowledge what she's saying, and then we have our boss here also running to go and acknowledge what she's saying.
Come on, Kasa.
Now,
me Kasa because me say be see them. I said me need money juma and sana we so aba, and I'm dey am so pen. So me GDS AC. Okay. But blank statement now we dey to na one boat TV station e dey no. I know na be one.
No, me person make sure.
Me see ase. Nti when I say strong say contact here. Na my send the evidence no. Me TV station crow send be ya beti.
Me can be see olade no so say. Or no more ti no twesi ni no. Only me say there is a system of doing these things. If you really want to report it, because believe you me, Adia Waya in social media, I can guarantee you that she's not going to get any results. Sana Juna me that's who Nigerian movies. She knows that there is a system, there is a way that we operate.
Yeah.
Or somebody to sit somewhere and come and tag the president, and next time I'll move to the president.
I apologize.
I know the fan work.
Because let's me when me say but I could do. But when I wanted to like
me who say I'll be taking it up with the president himself.
But I apologize.
No, I know the fan. Maybe because when we say systems so high the year juma me listen to juma back aka me tia say ola educating and akafu is educating there are institutions yes I am and Mama said you walk cafe away head of NFA. Say, oh, was in the to get access to you, it's not difficult.
It's not difficult.
Then tell me cabo for some person mo tiasi. Tina se mama brofo dawson but I'm sure. Omo ni say ye pese ye ba ho cafe ye ni aba. At least me friend we na me friend we kwa menya cafe because now you are the head. They could have come to you directly and tell you, listen, this is this and this and that is what is going on. And we don't like it. They provide you with evidences and you take it up from there. You don't come on social media and talk with some mannerism and call the whole country Ghana. See Ghana, you could be a shaman, baby.
And them say, on with one year. You come home say, after mentioning me, on no pono, yenna juma on.
So you see, so let's not have cast a PR.
No, but Kafri also I apologize, but she has repeated it. Now, twin deception is just this week. Now see what she wrote. I love my Ghanaian besties. I really do. Ghanaians are our cousins and cousins don't fight. We banter, but at the end of the day, it's all love. You see this issue with this Ghanaian television station showing our movies is utterly shameful. My movie, Twin Deception, released on my YouTube channel on Friday, was shown by TV stations same day. I'm going straight to the Ghanaian president this time.
So this one also apologize.
No, this is the first one.
This is it. President me one.
No, it's we're not sure now.
Yes.
No, because no president for us then. President
what do you mean
targeting space? What hierarchy are dealing with this way now? Say you go to the president. The president should leave pressing issues or what Ghana has or copyright. Then why is the copyright office? No, let me.
No, a president responsibility is part of it. We are saying copyright. Copyright is huge.
No, I'm saying that is why there is an institution.
Bank as a president in Jai, there you want by copyright.
Of course, I don't know
pay attention to the copyright.
He has people. Listen, he has people like yeah, designate you on what Juma. On to me, what I say, on to me, you know what you know, say, Wababa the DH. And me, I feel said the response that was given on social media was absolutely unnecessary. Media, my dream chairman, I feel it was unnecessary because Sanka Onipano ope some effective results via. And remedies be brave one ko betumi use. Okay. Ebiane so Ola kasanko betumi report TV stations na ma wo mo chrome copyright institutions no. Ono ankasa so Ghana ni Nigeria say play ticket boy nyedi. Ono ankasa betumi abaha ababe lodge official complaint. What you say? Send ye be ya wo mo bedi wujuma because we can literally say what shows that you are going to get that desired results now. Wo pen. What you must say so let us learn to do things right. For me, at this point in time, we need to see results. Because this piracy thing, no, movie industry, no, and yet lucrative enough because me coachesini. Now, dear China, me who says the guy you on the TV channel and kofobe 100,000 a share. I hear Fabian na mekwa sini na ebe yo makono so omunsa mabehwa menye sika na masadi akwakwa ye de akwakwa twa sini foforo. Well, it's a big problem. So, I mean,
it is unnecessary. As my worker, it is unnecessary. It doesn't make any sense. Nyansa kete yebu se yebu nyansa ntwa kete kwasi bi as my anymore. Emuna Michael Ola so they thought was say these Nigerians they take us for granted. Yeah, promote momu no mu nyesika what I say omu nyesika e we ho
me pese e be address the problem because Nigeria need be say
nti e wo ho e cost.
Yes, a problem.
Okay, how do we solve it?
We share lead in a video now. I saw somebody who was doing a PR for her film. It's not like she was really doing something different.
Ni pani soon
Mami be a friend Toyin Abraham or a Yoruba, also a Nigerian actress or side producer. On a status publicity stunt. Or Nigerian. Oh yeah, na nkofo a mun free Ghana enye Ghana for nyaatwemfo ni bi o mo mun free Ghana e de eko tro access ade na da bia mo attack Ghana for so mo na piracy mo films. Why? When will you stop using Ghanaians for your publicity?
Ooh.
Yeah, nye Ghana ni na try. Ghana for na kwa send I no mo I saw this person, I saw this television station, I saw, but we free Uganda. Mami found kwache. Tama na ye juma na gina so pa na de good DVD so no. Obeko so many African countries, bi abeko Kenya, South Africa, Uganda, obeko akoto Ghanaian movies. That was shops.
Yeah.
A lot of foreign pirate. Anya Ghana for. It do maybe na ye nkrofo na ye sini ewo brofum no. Udru South Africa, obeka chos omunya a lot for. Because on the street, wo salata for ni jenjon omoton sini no. Omo parity sini no. So wo pa omo ye good at parity na Nigeria for. And I'll not say this to justify what is happening.
But so omo Ghana for your movie ho.
Make sure baby I send you free buy.
Okay.
Wo pa omo ye good with piracy a omo. Omo wia ya kuyen. Enye ne. Ena ye see the adwuma na ba fom. Ena ne omo su twa sini no omo sini no omo mieni omo twa omo ntwa for YouTube. Omo twa no e de fa cinema sim.
Okay.
Any omo do twa ya YouTube straight.
Okay.
Empress say uko Telegram me ti ho 24/7. There's no Nigerian movie e be pia me nya no Telegram. I'm telling you. No Nigerian movie.
Ubenya hwe ni free.
Some movie or day publicity no. That's where I even saw the artwork first. And Sakrana, I think 24th or something
of this month.
No, maybe from 20th on. I couldn't keep track of the date. Ubenya no Telegram.
Okay.
You mean the deceptive
No. You know, something hallelujah no. Bimbo dear no Bimbo dear is something hallelujah. I've forgotten that there's an hallelujah to it. But let me just arrange the thoughts.
Okay.
Boys now and answer one more own those Telegram pages no. Omo ya lata for. Omo ya Ghana for. So they have made it so easy for people to get access to download their movies. And these movies are YouTube movies. It's there for everybody. I don't need to sign up on YouTube to be able to watch it. All I need is data.
Ooh.
I'm a subscriber of YouTube Premium, but me sign or other browsers have me share YouTube. I don't need to sign in and watch. I'm saying this to tell you, say, even though amount for we have also made it too available to make it happen. Now the entire makers or the publicity, no share video ni or share see no she started by thanking people that have supported her movies. And okay, say the new movie way I know say publicity na koye asano attack a Nigerian YouTuber. Asano the Ghana best also.
Okay.
Ocean need movie ni t-shirt. Why are we always allowing ourselves to be used by these people? I don't get it. Apart from as I didn't know here, no. 2 days later, I'll go on Instagram and say what Danyamia sees. Say we're hitting 1 million subscribers. 3 days later, that's about 5 days ago. What movie now hitting 2.5 million? You see what's going on? They are capitalizing on it to market their movie. Now, I'll take you back to Omoni. The one that tagged our president disrespectfully, I'll take you back to her. Before Obe releases her movie, Love in Every Word. She also came out with the same rant. And Ghanaian TV stations, you are showing our movies, but none of them has been able to prove or given us evidence. Oh, Ghanaian TV station A, B, C, D, they show movies,
Because I was expecting it in the video.
They don't have it. Yeah. We know say Ghanaian TV station show movies, which is wrong. We will deal with that now. But the me person say when Omoni did that, nothing will be released this film no. Empress film no release here 1 week no na 15 million views. 2 weeks no na 25 million views.
Wow.
Now Bimbo edi bayi and ono so abe can be. No was tag president as account. All can be no. Was I bet you say my new movie Twin Deception it's out on YouTube, and somebody has the same day I released it, the same day a Ghanaian TV station showed it.
TV bang.
No mention. So she used the trick the first time around, it worked. Now she's capitalizing again on it, on Bimbo's case, to also advertise a twin deception. This is what they are doing. They are just
so it's
using
not about
us.
Paris.
Then it is about piracy, but they are capitalizing on it to market their channels. Go and check how that girl, Omoni, saw that woman. After that rant, go check how many subscribers she accrued. Because here, who's here? Most African countries discuss the same issue.
Ooh.
Yeah. So, everyone go for a movie, you know. Tell me, I think we should be smart. Look, it's a problem. We have been dealing with this problem for years. You're a solution. And one of the reasons why your industry need call from, and I can also tell say young producers and also count your mass ad because at a point we have to give you a part 1 to advertise for our part 2. It will be part 1. And the TV stations need be there. And will be a TV station and movies not started. I'm more a pirate movies by Hollywood for.
The test run, right?
Yeah, the test run. I'm more a pirate movies by Hollywood for. It took maybe a chair 3-4 years ago. Me, Yenya Ricky Anochi was on that campaign against people showing unlicensed movies on TV. Just recently, music movie be about G20. Because who not telegrams, hey, movie a bear feel. The same day, and me who not TV channel A show.
A show?
Yeah. Omunya telegram. So if they want to fight, it is not just about the TV. Let's fight and stop where they get the movies from.
Okay.
When Tony Abraham started, or attacking Telegram, and then she was able to arrest about 2 people on more channels of Telegram.
Okay.
Telegram on a zongo. Excuse my language. Yeah, parity anything. So Empress, I will let her phone when you watch me. The next time when I watch me now.
Yes.
Yeah. There was a time I saw a mini Penyah Yolo Kwashiga. I saw his series Yolo on Telegram, and I realized he was able to fight it. And I even went to the inbox of the channel owner, asked him, how did you get this? They downloaded it from YouTube. It's, we are dealing with a big problem, but let's not make it about Nigeria because they don't care about us. They are only using us to market their movies. Let's make it about us. It's a problem. How do we fix it?
No, we are saying can I just that's my kind of Bimbo. Go and come again. That's my kind of it makes sense. On submission, it makes sense. It doesn't add up. Tira waje mame ewo comment section. I Penyah Block Media.